Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete experience on LinkedIn. So first step is going over to your profile picture, click on it, and then click on view profile. Now once you're there, scroll all the way down until you see experience window. Here it is. Click on this edit button and this will bring up all of your experiences, and then simply click which one do you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete the first one, so click on this pencil icon right next to it, and then right down here you have this button which says delete experience, so click on that and then confirm it by clicking this button, delete. As you can see, the experience has been deleted. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.